So the moment you guys have been waiting for, let's do a quick collection video. See how we did? Ooh, looks like a nice half full stack. So why take the elevator, you know, when you could just carry everything up the stairs? This is what it's really like to operate a vending business. And yeah, here we go. I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. You matter what, add it up. So yeah, we got a lot sold out. That was good. Snapple's big, huge profit on Snapple. If you're not selling Snapple and you're a vending business operator, you're kind of missing out a little bit, but I won't make fun of you for it. So we're selling Snapples at $2.50, $2.65 on a swipe. What do you guys sell Snapple for? Comment down below what you're selling your 16-ounce Snapples for, what you're selling your 20-ounce bottles for, and your cans. I'm curious, obviously a lot of price adjustments in the industry. If you're still selling cans at 75 cents, you're losing money. I'm just letting you know. I recently just got a bid though for Awesome Town. Excited to work with them. If you guys want to learn how to like kind of bid and that whole process that goes into it, I'm interested in kind of dropping maybe like a mini course on that. Something like 30 bucks, 40 bucks. So if you want to learn that, also comment down below, let me know. And yeah, maybe I'll work on that. And pretty sweet. I'll definitely be showing you guys that whole process, working with the municipality. It's not as fun as you think, but it, you know, pays the bills. These are a cool new Snapple. Basically, Snapple was like sitting at a board meeting and they're like, oh, what if we just reduce the sugar because there's 50 grams of sugar in this thing? So they put half the amount of sugar in these. They're called Elements. They're a little more expensive than the regular, but you know, we're gonna try them out here. This is the agave cactus flavor. I never tried it, but heard it's good. I'm at $1.25 on cans. Kind of tempted to raise it to $1.50, but I know I'm gonna lose a lot of customers if I do that. Nonetheless, I mean, it's all in your approach. Like you could do higher profit margin, less volume, or higher volume, less profit margin. At the end of the day, they kind of equal out, but I'm more of a guy who likes higher profit margin because it means less service calls, less maintenance calls, stuff like that. And of course, we are gonna do a collection. Doesn't seem that full, but you know, we'll get to that. I wonder, how much does a vending machine make in a week, you know? That's probably why you click this video. It's probably the thumbnail and title, who knows? And then basically down here, guys, this is your kind of reserve. You put other stuff in here. I also have 3 Cheetos kind of go expired. If you guys want Cheetos shipped to you that are expired, just let me know in the comments, you know. Get some Coke in there. Guys, I will say this though. I highly suggest, if you wanted to show this, I highly suggest getting the scrollables because now I could just easily change the price here and I don't have to put stickers. Bam. And we're done. So now we go over here to the machine. We hit this blue button. I don't know what it is on your machine. Hit that, come around. You hit 1, 7. Oh wait, what's 1, 5, 3? I don't know what I just did. And we type it in, 152. Change it to 250, and bam. All right, finish her up. All right, so she's loaded. Put a little reserve down on the bottom. Put our trash in here. Sometimes, guys, you'll have like a coil. So your coil should not look like this. It should be down like this one. So all we have to do is hit the blue button, and then you can stay there. Show them. I hit 7. Oh, I guess this one was. Oh shit! We got an error. We got an error. What the fuck happened there? All right, let's see this diagnostic here. They just got stuff. Not too crazy. That's the one problem with the 2-ounce bags. So the moment you guys been waiting for, let's do a quick collection video. See how we did? Ooh, looks like a nice half full stack. Can't complain about that. I'm sure there's some 5s in here. Definitely get Billy acceptors that accept 5. Those are always good. But yeah, guys. So that'll pretty much wrap up the video here. Maybe have one more kind of collection video. I'll see you guys in the next video.